early morning mist over the mountains, leaving a Morgos. Lovely morning, but it's very humid this morning, so everything's quite wet.
So where are we heading for this morning, Dee?
We are going to, where are we going?
Naxos?
We're going to Naxos, which is, looks like a fairly big island. So yeah, we left Amorgos this morning to virtually no wind, which is a bit of a shame really, but there is quite a big swell, so we're bobbing around all over the place.
What are you having?
Well, the chef suggests a Greek salad, Naxos Mexico, which is pork with peppers and tomatoes, and then orange pie with ice cream. All for €16. Another anchor stuck in another harbour. Glad it's not just us. This is a Greek cemetery, and as you can see they put a huge amount of work into looking after their lost ones. Isn't that pretty?
gyro or gyro.
We've got no idea what it's actually called.
Not really.
But it's filled with chips and all sorts actually. Chips, tomato, pork, onion. Rather nice. That is the biggest donut I have ever seen in my entire life.
No.
It's huge. Where are we going now?
I think we're going to Eos.
Eos.
Eos. Eos is a nice little island with a nice little harbour. Hopefully we can get on the wall. Well, we're planning on it anyway. It's been a little bit bouncy to say the least. We've had a tailwind all the way, so we've got the main out with the preventer on it, and we've been averaging about 6.5 knots, which is pretty good for. So we've only got about 12 knots of wind. Anyway, we'll be there in a minute. So, today we're having a chill out day and we're just spending a bit of time catching up on videos and logs on the computers. Luckily, we have internet from the cafe opposite, which is great. It means we can keep in touch with everybody and keep on the internet. There are hundreds of people waiting for the ferries, which is quite entertaining as well. So last night we walked into the town, into the old town, which is quite a steep walk up some steps. It was absolutely packed with teenagers and young people in and out the bars. Very, very noisy, so we didn't stay for very long.
How long did it take us to get here?
Half an hour, 3/4 of an hour.
It was quite a long drive and it's just rocky. Quite desolate countryside really, not even a church. That shows you how bad it was, but very nice actually once you get down here, very pretty.
Eddie?
Sorry?
What's happening up there?
Well, I'm just sitting here doing some work and it's really busy. We've got loads of ferries coming in and it's just amazing to watch. You've got millions of kids with suitcases bringing them back and forward. It's amazing. And we're just shocked at how many people are on the island. It's brilliant.